In this video, I'll show you how to copy a video to a USB flash drive in Windows 11. First, plug your USB flash drive into your computer. Wait until Windows recognizes the USB flash drive. Next, open File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where your video is stored. You may find it in the Videos folder, Downloads, or another folder on your computer. Locate the video you want to transfer. Right-click the video file. Click Copy. Now click This PC from the left panel. Double-click your USB flash drive to open it. Right-click in an empty area inside the USB flash drive. Click Paste. Windows will begin copying the video to the USB flash drive. Wait for the copy process to finish. After the transfer is complete, check that the video is available on the USB flash drive. That's it. This is how you can put a video on a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.